झी 24 तास एक पाऊल पुढे.
Hey, put this away. Madam Speaker, I rise to present the budget for the year 2013-2014. I recall my last tenure as Finance Minister and acknowledge with gratitude the splendid support that I received from all sections of the House as well as the people of India. Today, more than ever, I seek the same support as we navigate the Indian economy through a crisis that has enveloped the whole world and spared none. I intend to keep my speech simple, straightforward, and reasonably short. I shall begin by setting the context. Global economic growth slowed from 3.9% in 2011 to 3.2% in 2012. India is part of the global economy. Our exports and imports amount to 43% of GDP, and two-way external sector transactions have risen to 108% of GDP. We are not unaffected by what happens in the rest of the world, and our economy too has slowed after 2010-11. In the current year, the CSO has estimated growth at 5%, while the RBI has estimated growth at 5.5%. Whatever may be the final estimate, it will be below India's potential growth rate of 8%. Getting back to that growth rate is the challenge that faces the country. Let me say, however, there is no reason for gloom or pessimism. Even now, of the large countries of the world, only China and Indonesia are growing faster than India in 2012-13. And in 2013-14, if we grow at the rate projected by many forecasters, only China will grow faster than India. Between 2004 and 2008, and again in 2009-10 and 2010-11, the growth rate was over 8% and in fact crossed 9% in 4 of those 6 years. The average for the 11th plan period, entirely under the UPA government, was 8%, the highest ever in any plan period. Achieving high growth, therefore, is not a novelty or beyond our capacity. We have done it before, and we can do it again. I acknowledge that the Indian economy is challenged, but I'm absolutely confident that with your cooperation, we will get out of the trough and get on to the high growth path. I shall now outline our plans and priorities. Our goal is higher growth leading to inclusive and sustainable development. That is the Mool Mantra. Growth is a necessary condition, and we must unhesitatingly embrace growth as the highest goal. It is growth that will lead to inclusive development. Without growth, there will be neither development nor inclusiveness. However, I may sound a note of caution. Owing to the plurality and diversity of India and centuries of neglect, discrimination and deprivation, many sections of the people will be left behind if we do not pay special attention.
झी 24 तास एक पाऊल पुढे.